In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to buy Robux using GCash. To get started, open the Roblox app on your phone or computer. Once you're inside, tap the Robux icon from the top or main menu, and you'll see a list of available Robux packages. Select the amount you want to purchase, and you'll be taken to the payment page. If the GCash option doesn't appear right away, scroll down and tap Other at the bottom to view additional payment methods. From the new list, look for GCash. If it still doesn't show up, make sure your country or region is set to the Philippines, as GCash is only supported there. Once the option appears, tap Continue. Roblox will then display a QR code. Open your GCash app, scan the QR code, and complete the payment process. After the payment goes through, return to Roblox, and you'll see that your Robux have been successfully added to your account. And that's it. That's how you can easily buy Robux using GCash. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.